Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming you can change your name. Check your profile for a free change or token. Once done, open Call of Duty Mobile, tap Settings, then Profile and Edit Name to begin. You need a usable space character that bypasses the standard filter. Copy a zero-width space, U plus 200B, or a no-break space, U plus 00A0, into your clipboard before pasting. This is the essential prep, so your first edit will succeed without trial and error. Now you perform the tricky middle steps. Place the cursor where you want the space inside the name field, then paste the special space from your clipboard. Zero width keeps visual separation without a normal space, and no break prevents collapsing. Make sure to combine it with letters, numbers, or allowed symbols around it, because standalone spaces may be rejected. If the game flags characters, try the alternate special space or insert a harmless symbol like an underscore. Then remove or replace. Finish by confirming the change and paying the token or accepting the prompt. Then view your profile to verify spacing looks right. If the game rejects the name, try the alternate special space or temporarily add a visible character, like a dot. Confirm, then edit again to replace it with the special space. Make sure to copy a fresh special character from a reliable source each attempt, because hidden characters can be stripped or converted during input, causing failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.